Hey guys, Troy here, and as you can see, I unfortunately did not make that video last night. But anyway, here that video is, and yeah, let's get started. Here we go. Get that out of the way. Turn that around, of course. And as you can see, I have a puzzle box. Rather basic, you could say, but yeah. So here it is. Let me just replace something real quick. There we go. So yeah. This one is called I don't know. This one is questionable. Not sure if I'm gonna name it or not. I guess you could call it the simple version 2. So yeah, this one's actually pretty basic, but my grandpa couldn't solve it, so if he can't solve it, then some people won't be able to. So let's get started. So what you're gonna do first is you're not gonna take this off, and no, this is not your prize. Your prize is not visible at all. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna slide this section out just like that. You can only slide it out one way, and it's like that. So next what you're going to do is you're going to pull this out. Just like that. As you can see, there's some smooth tiles right there. So then you're going to slide this brown piece over. I'm invading my stage a little bit, but slide that piece over. Then you're going to go over to the other side, slide it over. And as you can see, there's nothing really visible. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece, you're going to press it until it goes all the way in, and then you're going to take this piece right here. As you can see, there's a little notch right there. I'm going to press that in, and on the other side, you will get your treasure. And your treasure is one of these 1x2 tiles. You only fit a 1x2 tile. You can make it a 1x1 tile. You can have one of these pieces, but it's better with a 1x2 tile. So putting it all back together, you're basically going to retrace your steps. Oh wait, there. Make sure that closes. Now, unfortunately, I did have to make it into where this piece is just sitting on top. You can do it like that, but when you're traveling, it just will fall out. If you want to travel with it, that is. So yeah, that's pretty basic. Alright. For the heck of it, here is the disassembled big brick. So yeah, like I said, it's on a 4x8 base plate. So yeah, I'll try to make a tutorial for it. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but yeah. So see you guys later.